The 2026 Nissan Ariya Nismo is a high-performance electric SUV that delivers a thrilling driving experience. With its powerful dual-motor setup and advanced E40RCE all-wheel drive technology, it offers lightning-fast acceleration and precise handling. The sporty exterior design, complete with Nismo's signature touches, sets it apart from the crowd. Inside, the Ariya Nismo boasts a luxurious interior with premium materials, Nismo sport seats, and cutting-edge technology. The spacious cabin provides ample room for passengers and cargo, making it ideal for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. The Ariya Nismo's impressive 300-mile range and fast charging capabilities make it a practical choice for long-distance travel. Additionally, it comes equipped with advanced safety features like ProPILOT Assist 2.0, ensuring a safe and secure driving experience. Overall, the 2026 Nissan Ariya Nismo is a standout in the electric SUV market. It offers a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for drivers seeking an exhilarating and eco-friendly ride.